Okay, so guys, this is the end product. This is my button installed onto the steering wheel through the clock spring as shown to you guys in a previous video. And what I have now is my wire coming out of the clock spring going my multimeter, and I just have it grounded to the steering column. And right now we're going to test if the button actually works. So you have your wire going in through here, and we pinned it through the clock spring, and we have our switch, and then on the other side of the switch is just grounded on the clock spring, on the steering wheel, sorry, it's grounded here. So you have going into the switch, you have a ground, and you also have your wire coming through, and you also have your wire coming through the clock spring going into here and back out. So when we push the button, the circuit should close, guys, and we're going to confirm that by looking at our meter here. So right now we have an open circuit. I press the button, our circuit is closed. Open circuit, circuit is closed. Okay, so installing a nitrous button on the SRT4. What you want to do to mount a steering wheel button is move the switch over from 86. So you're going to run your arm directly over to pin 86 on your relay, but on pin 85 you're going to put the button, you're going to put your button into this location on here. Reason being, you don't really want 12 volts running through your clock spring as like a little safety feature. So you're just gonna switch over your relay from a power activated to ground activated. Nothing changes, that's the only thing on that circuit. And as far as the wire, you're gonna look for this green connector, and pin number 7 is where I ran myself wire. If you look, you can see pin number 7 back there. That's the, and you're gonna have to remove these little screws, clock spring. And once you remove that, be careful, guys, how you take this off. I always mark my clock spring, and when you put it back together, make sure it's in the middle. There's also a circle in the back here that's gonna guide you as far as putting everything back aligned. You're gonna push this black clip here this way so that this slides out, and you're gonna lift it once it's out, and that way you'll be able to pin another wire in here, which is pin number 7. There's 2 of them actually. I messed up this one, so I used the one right next to it instead, but it's the same concept, guys. And you're gonna have one going over to one section of your button, and another wire to the second section, and then grounded. Okay, guys, I hope this helps. And I'm gonna press the button, guys. Is that I can't hold this and press the button on the front side, but once everything's up and running, I will give you guys an update. SRT4 nitrous steering wheel button install. And in case you're wondering, this is how my button looks on the front side.